Hello and welcome to another one of D's ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of log integrals. How do you approach a log integral? Well, whenever we're doing a log and we see an x in the denominator, alright, odds are you're going to do u substitution by letting u equal the ln term. Why is that? Because if you remember, the derivative of an ln term is 1 over x, right? So if we have ln, look for x in the denominator that's multiplied times everything else, then we can probably do u sub. So let's take a look at this example. You see how at first glance it might look very complex, but if you remember this rule here, looking for an x in the denominator, we see one there. Okay, so all I got to do is let u equal this entire log term. Okay, when I do that, you'll notice I don't care about the exponent. I don't care about the fact that it's in the denominator. I just do the basic ln term, and then when I derive it, I get the 1 over x term that will cancel when I do my substitution. Okay, so again, recap: ln, x in the denominator, u sub, let u equal ln, basic term. All right, so what happens if I can't do my u sub? All right, the derivative of the ln term, there is no x in the denominator. All right, well, in that scenario, I got to do integration by parts. The acronym tells me that I late u is going to be equal to log more likely than dv, because I late says that u and logarithm is its second favorite thing. Okay, if you remember from integration by parts, that alright, so if you were to see a problem that looked something like this, that's integration by parts. Okay, you might say to yourself, well, there's only one term there, but there's actually two terms there. Your ln and your dx. This can be your u, and that can be your dv. Alright, so anytime you see an ln and there's no x in the denominator, integration by parts. Alright, anytime there is an x in the denominator, u substitution. So practice a few of those, get them under your belt. You'll see they're not as bad as you think they are if you use those two main rules. I hope I've clarified things enough for you to try a few problems. Check out the example videos and practice, practice, practice. Thank you and have a nice day.